You asked, and we listened. This is ZenNotes, the tool viewers kept dropping in our comments all week. It's a free, open-source, keyboard-first Markdown notes app. Every note is a plain .md file on your own disk. You drive the whole thing with real Vim motions, and your AI assistant can plug directly into your vault through a built-in MCP server. It's 4 months old, and it already runs natively on Mac, Windows, and Linux, and as of this month, iPhone and iPad too. One more thing. There's a line in this project's README that most developers would never dare to write. We'll read it at the end. Here's the stat that made us sit up. 80 releases since April. That is a release roughly every day and a half for 4 straight months, 721 commits, version 2.26.0 already, and 4 releases shipped this week alone. That kind of velocity changes what a young project means. Bugs don't linger, feedback lands in the app within days, and the gap between a good idea and a shipped feature is basically a weekend. Whatever else you conclude about ZenNotes, nobody is waiting around for fixes. It's built by Adib Hanna of Lumeri Labs, 419 followers, 29 public repositories, and 691 of the project's 721 commits are his. That's the classic early-stage shape, one obsessed builder shipping daily, with a small ring of contributors starting to form around the edges. He's responsive in the issues, he takes consultations, and the project has a GitHub sponsors page if the pace earns your support. The core idea, your notes are just files. ZenNotes keeps everything as ordinary. Markdown in a vault folder you choose. No hidden database, nothing to export your own thoughts out of, and grep works on your second brain. On top of those files, it layers real Vim motions, not a half-hearted emulation, split and preview editing, tasks, tags, daily notes, archive and trash, live math with KaTeX, Mermaid diagrams, and the genuine sleeper feature, CSV databases. Drop a plain .csv next to your notes, and ZenNotes gives you Notion-style table and board views over it. Structure without surrendering your data to an app. Install is one homebrew command on the Mac, assigned installer on Windows, and every Linux path you could reasonably ask for. AUR, deb, nix, app image. The desktop app auto-updates from there, so you download exactly once. And Mac users get a bonus. The Zen CLI, capture a thought, open a note, or drive launcher workflows like the official Raycast extension without ever opening the app. Here's the shift it's actually selling. Before, your hands leave the keyboard 100 times an hour. Click the sidebar, click the note, scroll, click back, and your notes live inside someone's database with an export button you hope still works next year. After ZenNotes, you jump anywhere in the vault with a few keystrokes, edit at the speed of Vim, and your entire second brain is a folder of text files that will open in anything, forever. Keyboard first isn't an aesthetic choice. It's a compounding speed advantage that pays out every single day you take notes. Now the question half of you are already typing. Another Markdown Notes app. Why should I care? Fair. We've covered this space for weeks and it is crowded. 3 honest reasons. 1. This is the most serious Vim implementation we've seen inside a Notes app. 2. It's MCP native rather than MCP bolted on. Your AI assistant reads and searches your vault as a first-class citizen, which is where this whole category is heading. 3. Plain files mean zero lock-in. Trying it costs you nothing and leaves no scars. If none of those land for you, keep your current app with our blessing. If one does, this is worth an afternoon. The ecosystem forming around it is genuinely ambitious for month 4, a built-in MCP server for AI assistants, the Zen command line tool, an official Raycast extension, a brand new native iOS app covering iPhone and iPad, a self-hosted web mode backed by a Go server so your home lab can serve your vault to any browser on the network. And a hosted mode built on that same stack is openly on the roadmap for people who don't want to run anything. The website makes the pitch beautifully on any screen. And notice what's front and center on mobile. A row of keycaps. H, J, K, L, double G, the colon. This is a tool proudly built for people who think in keystrokes, and it doesn't apologize for that. The docs cover the Vim bindings, the Markdown feature set, MCP setup, and the CLI. All perfectly readable from a phone while you decide. 4 months in, the numbers. 2,272 stars. 121 forks, 721 commits, 80 releases. For a project this young, that's real momentum. And honestly, this is exactly what the early days of the giants we've covered this month look like. The difference is that ZenNotes gets to start with today's expectations. MCP, local first, keyboard first, built into the foundation instead of bolted on in year 5. The entire history fits on one slide, and that's kind of the point. First commit, April 11th, 2026. By early August, it's at version 2.26, with 4 releases landing inside a single week. When a project moves this fast, this early, what you're really evaluating isn't the feature list. Features change weekly. It's the builder's stamina. 4 months of daily shipping is a short track record, but so far the graph only points in one direction. And here's the honest zoom out. This is the open source second brain field we've covered all month. AppFlowy, Joplin, Logsec, and Trillium from just yesterday. ZenNotes is the smallest bar on this chart by far. And that is exactly what a 4-month-old project should look like standing next to decade-old giants. But remember, every giant on this chart once had a bar exactly this size. Watch this space. Which brings us to the fine print and that README line. Adib writes right at the top that he builds ZenNotes with heavy help from AI tools like Claude and KaTeX, and that he reviews the code before shipping and still owns every architecture decision himself. Most projects would bury that. He leads with it, and we think that transparency is exactly the right way to do it. Judge the output, and the output ships daily. The rest of the fine print, it's 4 months old, so expect sharp edges and fast change. The desktop app is Electron. It is effectively a one-builder project today, 691 of 721 commits, so the bust factor is real. The flip side is that plain Markdown files mean your notes survive anything, including abandonment. The iOS app is brand new, hosted mode doesn't exist yet, and it's MIT licensed all the way down. So, viewer suggestion, delivered, and genuinely one of the most interesting young projects we've covered. The repository and website are linked in the description, and since the vault is plain Markdown, trying it risks absolutely nothing. This video exists because of your comments, so keep them coming. Tell us what tool to put under the microscope next and what you're using every day. Subscribe. A new open source tool lands on this channel every single week.